Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Bitstamp with account verification checks. To begin the account verification process on Bitstamp, visit the Bitstamp website. Log into your existing account or create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the account section located in the upper menu. Select verification from the drop-down options. You will see different verification tiers outlined on the screen. Choose the verification level that suits your trading needs. Fill out the required personal information, including your full name, address, and date of birth. Next, upload a government-issued ID for identity verification. Ensure the ID is clear and legible to avoid any delays. Follow up by providing proof of address in the form of a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure this document is dated within the last 3 months and displays your name and address. After uploading your documents, review all entries for accuracy. Once verified, Bitstamp will send a confirmation email regarding the status of your application. Keep an eye on your inbox for this email, as it may take a few hours to receive a response. If additional documents are required, Bitstamp will notify you via email. Once your verification is approved, log back into your account. You will now have access to additional features and the ability to trade. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the account verification process on Bitstamp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.